Hey YouTube, it's here. Welcome back to my food channel. Today I'm going to try and show you how to make a cold brew. Cold brew is actually a cold brewing process of coffee making. I'm going to use a guide of a friend of mine that he published on his Instagram profile. I'm going to link also to his guide, but it's in Hebrew. My guide is going to be in English. What you do in a cold brew, you grind a coffee. You can also use a pre-ground coffee, but you need to be relatively coarse. So you want to ask the person who grinds your coffee to grind it for a French press. I have this. I need to grind it myself. It's not such a great grinder, but it will do. I never saw a French press grinding, so I looked it online and it looks pretty coarse to me. We'll see what is going on. He also recommended to use a cheesecloth. I'm going to use like a baby thingy. I hope it will work. Let's start. Not so good. It might have been too fine. So I used 50 grams of coffee. So I need like 4 to 5 times. So I did like 4.5. So it's 225. It's like nothing. I'm going to close it. So I'm going to put my little bundle of coffee in the fridge and we're going to visit it tomorrow to see what we've got. Are you excited? I am. Okay, so we measured 50 grams and now we're going to put it in this. See, it's very crowded. See, like the kind of fabric? Yeah, I'm going to try this. So we measure 225 grams. No, that's the merge. It doesn't need to be exact. Now we just pour it cold water over the coffee and we let it sit in the fridge. Close it up. Hard to do with one hand. So this is how it looks now. Let's put it in the fridge. Okay, so I'm here with my first cold brew that I actually made warm coffee with. Here it is, you already saw it, and let's try. Interesting. It's very light. It's not so strong and bitter like when I make a mocha pot from it. It's pleasant. It's pleasant on your palate. Yeah, it's very nice. I think I just didn't use enough, and also I didn't have a lot of the syrup. It's not a syrup because it's not with sugar. It's a coffee concentrate, so it should work with like to make with it more coffee. I think I didn't use enough because I was like, but I don't have a lot. So it became really gentle, and generally it's a really good idea. It takes only 5 minutes when you have the right products. If you have like the right cheesecloth, I think I probably should have grinded bigger, coarser, but it was still great. I think yeah, a lot of flavors did develop during the cold brew. Very nice, very nice. Just one thing, that if you want it hot, then you should like have a really hot substances. You need to heat the milk really hard. I think my kettle is not getting into the boiling point. I mean, it's just not telling you that it got there. So I'm constantly afraid that it will blow up or something because I didn't turn it off. I think I always get them out earlier so it does not get to the boiling point and it's not hot enough. So for this you really need hot substances, because otherwise, and also it took me a while because the sun is out and it's extremely bright and I needed to put like something in between the sun and the camera. So it took me a lot of time and it got colder, but it's still really good. So I highly recommend this. Of course, you can also warm the cup. It also helps. Have it cold will be the perfect option. Yeah, but try it. It's really easy and it's really nice. I already did the wrong things for you, so you won't have to do it yourself. And I think tomorrow I'm going to try it cold because it's going to be hotter tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I think about it. I have my cold brew. Oh wow, it's very good, very strong, but in a good way. It's also very mild. It's like strong. It feels like a lot of coffee, but also the taste feels so mild and like it's just really pleasant. It's yeah, I like it. If you're making it, don't forget to tell me, send me on social media your photos or your tests, and yeah, I hope you liked it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. And if you try it, please tell me, follow me on social media, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!